Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set up your Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, or the S21 Ultra, and how you can transfer data over from your old Android device. Now first, we need to switch on the device, so press on the power button and hold. Also, make sure that your phone is sufficiently charged. If it has very minimal charge, then you may have a problem while transferring the data over from your old Android mobile device. So now that it is starting up, we're just going to wait. Okay, when you are at the welcome screen, choose your language and tap on Start. Then tap on I have read and agreed to all of the above, and tap on Next. Okay, on the next screen, you can assign to a Wi-Fi network. So we're just going to wait for the phone to detect Wi-Fi. Okay, if you do not see your Wi-Fi showing here, you can tap on Turn Off and then turn on Wi-Fi again. Now because I'm a bit further away from my Wi-Fi router, that's why it's not showing here. Now we tap on the Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to tap on that. Now Wi-Fi seems to be quite weak on the Galaxy S21 Ultra compared to my S20 Ultra. So put in the password and tap on the connect button. Okay, so now it's trying to get the phone ready, and I have connected to Wi-Fi now. So I'm just getting this phone ready to transfer the data over. Okay, next on the copy apps and data screen, we're going to choose next because we want to transfer data from the old device over to the new one. And here's a use your old device. I'm going to tap on next. So it says downloading smart switch. So we're just going to wait for it to download. And now it's installing smart switch. Now on the old device, make sure that you also download and install smart switch. So here select a source. So I'm going to choose Galaxy or Android and tap on agreed. And we're going to choose either cable or wireless. Now this USB cable is supplied with the device. It's got USB-C to USB-C. So depending on your device, if your device has USB-C plug, then you can use this cable for a more stable transfer. If the device that you're trying to transfer over does not have USB-C plug, then you can choose the wireless option. So I'm going to choose the cable option because it will be easier. So I'm going to plug into my S21 Ultra, and over here I'm going to plug into my S20 Ultra. Okay, so now it's trying to detect allow access to the phone data. So I'm going to tap on the allowed on the S20. Let's say connecting to Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, searching for data to transfer. Okay, so down here it's got calls and contacts information, messages, apps, settings, home screen, secure folder, images, videos. So basically you go down the list here and choose what you want to transfer over. So apps is quite a big section, so I'm not going to transfer apps over because it's going to take a long time. But in your case, you might want to choose everything. So select anything that you don't want. So I'm going to deselect videos. It's got 17 gigs of data. That's going to take for a long time for it to transfer to my device. I'm going to deselect images. But again, in your case, you might want to choose everything. And then down here is the SD card section. So in the SD card section, choose what you want to transfer over. And then finally, tap on the transfer button. And then over here, tap on copy on the old device. So ask me to verify. I'm just going to use PIN. And now say copying your accounts. Now I have left some of the things out because I want to quickly demonstrate that your phone can transfer data from the old Android device over to the new one. Now I need to put in the password. Okay, put in your Google account password and tap on sign in. So say copying your accounts and then get connected. I'm going to choose keep screen on so I can see what's going on. And it is now transferring data to the new device. And here it shows account added. I'm going to tap on next on my S21. And then tap on more, and accept. And here you can set up a screen protection. So you can either choose face recognition, fingerprint, pattern or PIN or password. I'm going to choose PIN. And I'm going to choose 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can select confirm PIN without tapping OK and tap on continued. So I need to put in the PIN again to confirm and tap on OK. Okay, so I'm going to tap next. And then we're just gonna, you can go through the review here, see what you want to include or remove. So it's if you want to remove Samsung Health, you can deselect that. Samsung Global Goals, remove that. And then tap on OK. And now we're just gonna have to wait. So I need to put in the Samsung account. Now put in the account password and tap on the next button. Make sure the password is correct. Okay, next I'm going to choose I have read and agree to all of the above. And tap on agreed. And say confirm the sign in on one of your other devices. So just going to see. Now I'm going to choose verify with a text message. Okay, once you have verified your login, you can go down here and check on your profile. If you're happy, you can just close. And I'm just going to tap on the back key and then tap on finished. And that's it. So at this point we have now successfully, I'm just going to cancel this one. We have successfully set up the device and transfer any of the data or apps over to the new Samsung Galaxy S21. Now again, depending on what you have selected during the transfer process, you can then go and check out, see if it has actually transferred everything over. So check for photos, phone contacts, email. So make sure that you check on your new device that you have everything before you go ahead and try to reset your old device. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.